Welcome back to this channel. This is AutoCAD for Mechanical Engineering. This is lesson number 30. In this lesson, we'll start talking about isometric drawing. We'll just make this practice here, practice number 10, and we're gonna have this simple drawing, and then I'm gonna just go to the very complex one. So we're gonna make this drawing inside of this title block, as you can see here. And if you haven't doubt how to make a title blocks, how to make a template, just go back to lesson number 21 and 22. I explain everything how to make title blocks step by steps, and also I have there a bonus how to import files. Just go back and see these two lessons to know about how to make a title block. Let's just go ahead and make this drawing here. So we'll make this drawing. This is a very simple one, the practice number 10. So we'll go first to the AutoCAD. In AutoCAD, I'm gonna first we need to activate the isometric. To do that, we just type snap style and then type enter. Now we have this one here. So we need to make this drawing. And we have the same one with the dimension here. We have 60, 20, 25, 40, 20, and then the distance here is the same with this one on the bottom, 15. Let's just make this drawing here. Okay, let's go ahead and start making this drawing here. I'm gonna start from the top. Okay, the first one I'm gonna do here is activate the line and make sure that we are in the top. Can come here to check. So we are in the top, as you can see. This is the top. That's good. I'm gonna start with 25. I have now 20. We have 60. Again 20. Also this side we're gonna have 20. Down we have 40. Now we have 15, and then last one we can just close. Come here and then close. Good. So after do that, we can take the line. I'm gonna go back to the drawing. So we have this distance here, 100. Just go and make this drawing 100 there. Just come here, activate the line from this point. And also from this one quadrant, click, just go down. We need to change the position, F5. Okay, that's the one we want. Now the distance 100. Enter, and then enter. Okay, so that's the distance 100. Next step will be we will need just to copy this line here. I'm gonna copy this line. Come here, activate copy, select the objects, enter. I'm gonna start from this point. To that we're gonna change the F5. Okay, that's the one we want. To this point here, also that point. And then you can just change the position, F5, good. Change F5, that's what we want. Then we just come here to change the position. Okay, and then also last one gonna be here to this point. Last one there. Okay, good. So don't want this line here, delete. So next step will be join the line. It's gonna join the line. I'm gonna activate line again, join this one, change the position, F5, that's what we want, to this line here. Also change the position, F5. Okay, join also to this point. Just go back. I'm gonna change right to this quadrant. and then also here to these quadrants, right here again. Okay, so then enter. We have joined the line, and next one will be delete the line that we don't want. We're gonna go to the tree, select the cut edge, this one here, and then gonna enter, and then delete line. All right, so the drawing is already complete. Very simple one. This one here is not very complex. The next step will be just make the dimension as we learned. We just come here and then start making the dimension. This point, that point, good. This point to that point, good. Also this point to that point, and then this point, that point, and also last one will be this one here, the distance, that point here, we have 100. Okay, next step will be as we learned, so we need to align this one here, select all this dimension, and I'm gonna select all this dimension here, and then align the way it should be, and notate oblique, and then specify the angle. So will be, I will just choose 90 degree. Good. Now you can see they are very good. And also this one here, I can align with 30. Just come here, oblique 30. So if you have also a doubt, just go back to lesson number, I believe is 28, where I talk about dimension in isometric. Let's just go back there, and you will know why I use oblique. So that's pretty much this practice number 10, and we'll just go back next lesson. What will be lesson number 31, and we'll just make the practice number 11. And if you like, please just click like to help in this channel, and also please don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video, lesson number 31, practice number 11. Thank you very much for watching, and see you to the next video.